Saudi Arabia's economic contraction in the second quarter highlights how geopolitical tensions in West Asia can ripple through global markets. Now, according to flash estimate reports, the kingdom's economy shrank 4.8% year-on-year, largely driven by a steep 24.7% decline in oil-related activities. The downturn highlights the vulnerability of oil-dependent economies, and this at a time when conflict and uncertainty in West Asia continue to influence production decisions and supply dynamics. Oil activities alone subtracted 5.4 percentage points from the overall growth, demonstrating how fluctuations in output they can significantly alter economic trajectories. While Saudi Arabia has made substantial efforts to diversify its economy under long-term reform plans, the latest figures reveal limited cushioning from non-oil sectors. Non-oil activities contributed just 0.4 percentage points to growth, and this imbalance reinforces the challenge of reducing reliance on hydrocarbons amid a volatile geopolitical backdrop. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, the picture remains similarly subdued. The economy contracted 4.9% on a seasonally adjusted basis, with oil activities falling 21.5% and non-oil sector slipping by 0.5% for global businesses and investors. This signals continued exposure to energy market swings, which are tied to the region. The data serves as a reminder that despite diversification ambitions, Saudi Arabia's economic health and, by extension, broader regional stability, it remains closely linked to oil. In a period marked by heightened geopolitical tensions, shifts in energy output not only affect national growth, but also carry wider implications for global supply chains, investment flows, and economic confidence.